Hi, it's Paul from Production Expert. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how the instance list in the FabFilter Pro-Q4 can be used to speed up your workflow when using FabFilter plugins. To access the instance list, click the button at the bottom of any instance of Pro-Q4. Here, you'll see a list of all instances of the Pro-Q4, Pro-C3, Pro-G, and Pro-DS within your session. Any of them can be easily adjusted from this window. As an example, in this Pro-Q4, I can make adjustments to frequency and gain, add new bands, and use the mouse wheel to adjust Q. It's an easy and convenient way to work. Clicking on the name of any plugin makes it bigger so you can work with it like this, or you might prefer the auto zoom feature which, when enabled, zooms the plugins you hover over. Very easy and quick. Also, for navigating tracks, there's the mini-map on the right-hand side. This provides another way to scroll through the tracks in your session which have supported FabFilter plugins on them. For me, all of this just means that I can work quickly and efficiently without having to constantly close and open plugin windows. This session is only moderately sized, but in bigger sessions, the search function is a very handy feature. So I could, for example, find this track with gun sounds on it. We can see and adjust any Pro-Q4, Pro-C3, Pro-DS or Pro-G plugins on the track. FabFilter have also said that more of their plugins will be supported in the instance list soon. Potentially this could mean the Pro-L2, Pro-R2 and Pro-MB. As you work on a project and it gets bigger with more tracks, another convenient way to find and adjust those tracks is to pin them. So in this session, let's say I wanted to pin the track called Atmos and maybe also SFX1, I can click on the little pin icon on each of them. Once they are pinned, you can click on the Filter Pinned button here to hide all of the tracks apart from the pinned ones. Then you can make any adjustments you need on those tracks. This of course makes a difference to efficiency across the course of a project. Also, just going out of this view, sometimes you need to hear a particular track more clearly. This is where the emphasize button comes in. Let's say I wanted to hear the music a bit louder so I can evaluate what I've done with the EQ. If we go to the bottom right hand side, it brings up the output control. When this is open, we can click and hold the emphasize button, and this provides a temporary 6 dB boost to the output of that plugin. So that's a brief overview of the instance list in the FabFilter Pro-Q4, which allows you to control any instance of Pro-Q4, Pro-C3, Pro-DS or Pro-G in your session. These plugins are completely resizable, so you can optimize the size of it to suit your screen size and workflow. For more information, visit fabfilter.com. Thanks for watching.